Hi everyone, it's me Genesis, and I'm gonna share the beautiful slippers my sister made for us when she sent us the mystery box. And the slippers are actually packed so beautiful, each in their own little shoe box. So these are the slippers my sister sent me, even in a beautiful small cardboard bag, plastic bag, like a shopping bag. She made it so nice. If you open these little tiny shoe boxes, inside the shoe box, in a small little cotton paper, the little slippers are wrapped around. Look how gorgeous these bags are. I'm telling you, it is made with so much love. Hi everyone, I am Strength and I am happy to fit one of these pairs of shoes. I can't believe all the detail in these little shoes. Look at these little flowers on there, little white roses. Even this little slippers got the most beautiful little flowers on. As I said, these little slippers comes in a beautiful shoe box, small tiny shoe boxes. It is so cute. Moving on to Monday, and Monday fit the first pair of slippers. And it's fitting perfectly and so beautiful. Also this beautiful dress my sister made. Look how beautiful, handcrafted, this beautiful flower is on this dress. And this is Laura. She is not a smart doll, but she also fitted the beautiful slippers that my sister made for my smart dolls. These slippers are very cute, and this dress also my sister made for me was also part of the mystery box. And on the dress, 1 in a million. It is beautiful. I must say, these shoes are really 1 in a million. And I am Monday. Look at this beautiful handbag my sister made. All the details in it, it's so beautiful. And then I have my favorite slippers on. These are my favorite of all the slippers, but they all are nice. I must admit, all of the slippers are beautiful. I love all of them. They are very cute and I love them. This handbag she also made for me, and this blue one is just as cute. So all my girls are very happy, and I love all the beautiful things my sister sent me. And you must all have a lovely day. Blessings.